She has come to grab me, because she's going to do something horrible. We'll look at what in a little while, right? She's come to grab me, and I am controlling her elbows, okay? From here, we go straight into the second play, which is remembering the triangle point, remembering the hyperextension, looking at the way her feet are arranged. I can see the direction I need to travel in is there. So I'm going to direct her elbow into that direction. Okay? Now, at this point, there's a hyperextension going on in the elbow. You can feel that? Mm-hmm. And Fiore has us grabbing our own wrist, so this becomes extremely strong. Mm-hmm. Okay? And what I ought to do, if I was to strictly follow the book, is turn all the way around, and let me just remove that from where it can get broken. You can relax. Mm-hmm. Kick out, right? And what happens is you sort of fall backwards and her elbow explodes and she'll never train with you again.